Imagine making 16,000 extra dollars in 90 days without doing any of the scrubbing or any cleaning. Sound good to be true? Wrong. It's exactly what I did. I went from solo cleaner burnout to remote business bliss without hiring a single employee. If you're curious how I did that, then stick to the end of this video because I'm breaking down my entire process step by step. This isn't a get quick rich scheme, but this strategy is changing lives in the cleaning industry. Running a business as a solo cleaner, you're physically exhausted by the end of the day, limiting your income, which leads you to live a paycheck to paycheck or client to client lifestyle. And you have absolutely no true time freedom when you're constantly working in the field. And all you end up doing is running yourself ragged and not going anywhere. The reality is most solo cleaners do not even make enough money to truly live out the life they aspire to. The burnout rate is sky high. When I was a solo cleaner, yes, I was making money, but at what cost? It's the cleaner's trap. You think you need to do the cleaning, answer the calls, handle all the back end of your business. And the reality is that this mindset is actually holding you back from true growth, because what you're doing is you're working in the business, not on the business. I'm not saying you're not supposed to work hard, but you want to work smarter and strategic so that you see lasting growth in your business. And I had to address the elephant in the room for anyone who wants to second guess this strategy, because with this cleaner's trap mindset, you limit the true growth and potential of you and your business. So let's get into the strategy on how I earned an extra $16,000 within 90 days, transitioning into what I call a stay-at-home cleaning business owner. Work smarter, not harder. Growing a successful cleaning business is most successful when you stop doing the cleaning. It took me 3 years to make this leap, and I hope this takes you by the end of this video to make the transformation, because I wish I took the leap sooner. I'm going to break down my method to transitioning and building a remote or a stay-at-home cleaning business. It is my CAB method. Really simple, 3 foundational steps. Let's get into the first one. That is C. You need to find cleaners, not employees, but subcontractors. Imagine you have 5 bookings in a day and your subcontractors have taken care of each of those jobs seamlessly, and all you had to do was just send them to the job. They check in, do the job, and clients are happy. Why subcontractors overemploy? Doing so, you get to start moving into your clientele much faster than finding and having to train employees. You're working with other small businesses and subcontracting out the jobs for them. This means this is less overhead for you. You don't have to have products or equipment. These are professionals, are invested in their business and do want to have a good reputation for themselves. Therefore, when they take on the jobs that you assign them, they're more inclined to want to successfully finish the job with full satisfaction than an employee who just clocks in for hourly rate and gets out. You must be asking, how do I find these subcontractors? I have a video on how to find good subcontractors here, so check that out. Now, finding a subcontractor is the beginning of the CAB method. Next is attraction through action. If any time throughout this video you think, okay, I definitely need help, I don't want to have to guess this, I don't have to piece through all these YouTube videos to figure out how to genuinely do this for myself. If you're thinking that and you don't want to have to take years like I did to get this process going, then all you have to do is DM me on Instagram, the word coach, and I'll know you came from this video, and we can figure out how I can help you with the step-by-step process to see this happen for you. It's time to shift your mindset and start valuing your service. Imagine letting go of small accounts and attracting high-paying clients that value your services. That is exactly what you want to do when it comes to your attraction through action. There's tons of ways to attract and find clients. You could check out tons of videos that I have on my channel that talks about that. Specifically, what I teach is the messaging and marketing to talk to your dream clients. What you're probably doing right now is plastering your service everywhere. So you do need to get in front of as much people as possible. However, effectively doing it is how you're going to get your high-paying, high-value clients that beg for your services over the cheaper option. And by doing so and attracting higher premium paying clients, you'll have more time because you're not doing the cleaning, but also more money? And who doesn't want both? Let's talk about building a business that doesn't run with you 24/7. Now, it might be nerve-wracking to have your baby, what you built up, and you're not completely hands-on, but you're on this video because you want to build a legacy that gives you time and freedom and the ability to enjoy your life, your family as much as possible. You're going to need to be more hands-off, but that doesn't mean that you cannot pour out your vision and impart yourself within your business, even if you're not always there. You want to consider automation, CRM systems, softwares that allow you to automate majority of your business so that you don't have to manually make calls, send invoices, do the emailing. Let's talk about something that has been a game changer for me and could be for you too. You know that feeling when you're either drowning in calls or you can never get back to them in time because you're trying to get back on missed calls, messages, or follow-ups. And it becomes a huge burden and you either don't get back to the client lead or you get back to them too late and they've already chosen another cleaning company. Well, that's why I have a solution for you, and it's OpenPhone. Now, this app is the app that I know for a fact that every one of you should be using. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket that never sleeps, even outside of your operating hours. This app still works for you. This online powered phone system that helps you separate your personal calls from your business calls and so much more. Here are my favorite features of OpenPhone, and trust me, you're gonna wanna listen to all of them because you need to know how to effectively use it for your business. It's 100% a time saver. On the business plan, OpenPhone would automatically create summaries of all your calls, so no more scrambling to remember what was discussed or wasting time writing notes. It's all there, neat and organized, and never miss a beat. The app will suggest intelligent next step suggestions based on the conversation you just had. This is going to help you, your partner, or your VA move quick on your next steps to help your client, lead, or anyone else on your team to maximize smooth operations in your business. Super easy to connect a new member to OpenPhone to provide access to whatever information you want them to see and keep track of their daily tasks as well as any tasks that you want them to see. Again, making your small business a huge organized operation. Now imagine what you can do with all the time that you saved using OpenPhone and each of these features. So listen, I know that sometimes the fear of growing and scaling your business could be daunting and having to add on different aspects of your business. But with OpenPhone, it truly makes it seamless. And of course, I'd like to thank OpenPhone for sponsoring this part of the video. Of course, I have an exclusive link for you where you can try OpenPhone completely free. When you're ready to dive in, you'll get an exclusive 10% off your first 3 months. Remember, OpenPhone is not just an app. It's literally your ticket to a more stress-free business. So let me know how you love it. The B in CIB is targeting building a team that does tasks on your behalf. A virtual assistant to manage and oversee task jobs throughout the day. Specifically in the first 90 days in transitioning, I did not have a virtual assistant yet. I learned everything I needed to know in regarding to finding the right subcontractor, attracting the right clients, dealing with my clients, and the whole system. Later in 2024 is when I hired my first virtual assistant to do the inquiry calls, handle bookings, cold calls, cold emailing, and majority of my admin work, allowing me to have more time. This industry is evolving, growing in so many different lengths, and you do not want to be stuck at one level when you can grow and scale. Now you have the tools I use to go from zero to $16,000 in less than 90 days, transitioning from a solo cleaner to a remote cleaning business owner. And it's very possible that you can too. You have to take a leap of faith and put all the energy and the excitement you have in your business and finding the right people so you can be more hands-off, have more time to see your business grow and live on your terms, have more time for your family, vacation, whatever that looks like to you. Remember, if you want support, DM me on Instagram, coach, and we can figure out what steps that you need to take so this could be your reality too. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.